Well, happy Friday. A lot of fun on the stream this morning. Trading didn't go exactly as I planned. I ended up getting stopped out and then into the stream, and it pushed right up into my target. I got stopped out at the lows, pushed right into my target. A bummer, but I needed to give it a little bit more space that I wasn't willing to give it, and that's just the way it works sometimes. So we're going to go and recap today. I'm trading 20 of the 300K Apex accounts. You can use code TBM for 90% off right now. Let's go ahead and dive into today's stream. Morning, everybody. Happy Friday. Okay, this is what the daily chart looks like. We got slapped yesterday, I guess. We've got overnight highs up at 420. We've got overnight lows down at 220. Currently sitting around yesterday's value area low. Current point of control and yesterday's value area low. Same spots. Yesterday's close up at 410. Value area high from yesterday, 500. News on the session. We had core PCE come out at 730. Consumer spending at 730. Wholesale inventories at 730. Chicago PMI at 845. I feel like it's been a long time since we've had a PMI. I feel like it was like bang, 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 and then we haven't had one in forever. But obviously it's on a schedule. It feels like it's been forever. Michigan sentiment at 9 o'clock. All right. We got 15 minutes till IB is set. It's looking like we want to push into yesterday's close. Is Slow Grind Friday in effect? Maybe. My ultimate side quest is to become a DJ at some point. Like the, who is it that, what banker is it, chat? It's not JP Morgan. It's, Goldman Sachs. Yeah, the CEO of Goldman Sachs is a DJ. His name is David Solomon, and his DJ name is DJ D-Sol. I mean, let's be real. I kind of just want to be there to be the hype man. I don't necessarily want to spend the time making beats. I just want to lead thousands of people to have a great night. Yeah, button clicker, absolutely. I volunteer as Tradester HQ DJ. I mean, we kind of need it. Gary keeps it like a library in there. So imagine when I show up with my little turntables. Thursday and Fridays at 3 o'clock. Y'all ever seen those people that do the live streams, the DJ set live streams on YouTube? Where it's like them in front of like a mountain or an ocean or something? Mine will be a DJ set with me posted up in the office in front of the poker table and the TBM sign. And have a second camera angle that's just on the desks. And it's me like going crazy, and then it just pans over to them just typing away with earplugs in. Freaking CO2 cannons and everything. You need to get the setup the Norwegian streamer has. Oh my god, I forgot about that. How could I ever forget about that? A classic. He looks like he belongs in our Discord. He probably is in our Discord. That's probably Hector. Dude, imagine being that kid's mom and walking in on that happening. Or not knowing that was happening, like, and then you walked in on it. That would be wild. He's probably got a keep out sign on his door for sure. All right. Of course, we're going to pop IB with a minute and a half left. Sick. Sick, sick, sick. Wait it out. Are we going to send it in the next 50 seconds and just go ahead and straight send it to 420? Would not be shocked. I hope it doesn't happen, but I would not be shocked. All right, IB is set, chat. And now the age-old question, do we hold the wicks or do we slap it back to VWAP and move away from IB? And we got point of control up here too. The range likes this meme line currently. And yesterday's value area low. Right around the open. Opening print was 83 or something. I'm very tempted to buy 70. $70.25 ended up trading. I'm gonna give this a shot. I can give it to 10 points pretty cleanly. Just about 10 points. Got a little bit of sellers maybe trying to come through. I'll look and see if I can get back up to IB. I don't know if that's going to happen. Candle's closing out. Need some buyers to kind of step up. We're just going a little bit choppy here. Another push in the point of control. Little slap. I'm probably going to get stopped out here. Stopped out. Thought we'd hold point of control. We didn't. We ended up running the wicks. Watching for VWAP and lower, but it's 10, 11 points. That's 11 points or so. 11 points on the stop, and then it runs it right back up. I don't know how to keep that cleaner, honestly. It's like maybe I put it below this swing or this wick, but then I'm having to risk an extra 7 points. And then it's $1,000 loser. I don't know. I'm going to wait to see how IB plays, but I'm going to call it here. It's Friday. I'm annoyed after these last 3 days. I've just been like, bleh. So I'm going to get out of here. Good luck, everybody. Be smart, be patient. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Fun day, talking wise. Still kind of annoying trading wise, but got a fresh week next week. So good luck. Be smart, be patient. I'll see you on Monday. Have a good one. Peace.